Dire team ban. Radiant team ban. Seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. Dire team ban. Seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. Reserve time. Radiant team ban. Seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. Reserve time. Dire team pick. Seconds remaining.
Earth Shaker.
Radiant team pick.
Doom. Shadow Fiend.
Dire
Night
team
Stalker.
pick. Dire team ban. Radiant team ban. Seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. Dire team ban. Radiant team ban. Radiant team pick. Seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. Reserve time. Dire team pick. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. Radiant team pick.
Okay mga kaibigan, so welcome to Mineski TV broadcast of National Cyber Collegiate League. This is Team Cypher of Ateneo de Davao University laban sa Cebu Institute of Technology. Ayan ang laban natin dito. CITU, sila ay yun nga, merong 1 game advantage dito sa best of 5 series natin. Again, this is Duno at ako naatasan magatid sa inyo ng laban na to para sa kampyonato. Championship to, di ba? Ng NCCL Cypher ng Davao laban sa Cebu. So maayong gabi sa inyong tanan, sa mga taga Davao at saka mga taga Cebu. Hello. Gimingyaw ko nimo. Ayan. At ang current lineup for both teams, Team Cypher, they have Earthshaker, Night Stalker, Ancient Apparition, and the Gyrocopter on their side. Para naman dito sa team ng CITU, they have Doombringer, Shadow Fiend, Lich, and Spirit Breaker down to the last pick and last ban for both teams dito. Iniimbitahan ko pala yung mga pwedeng pumunta sa ESGS sa darating na weekend mga kaibigan. Ano ba yun? Friday, Saturday, Sunday? O Saturday, Sunday lang. Saturday, Sunday mga kaibigan. So ESGS tayo dyan. So yan, ESGS Mineski TV ESGS ticket giveaway. Just type in, hindi ko nakita pero yun na yun. Yan, just type in the chat box. Yan, yung nakikita nyo, the winners. Ha? Hindi nyo nakikita. Dyan sa chat box natin mga tropa, i-type nyo lang yung yung exclamation point capital ESGS small letter ticket please. At ayan, may chance kayo manalo ng ticket papunta sa ESGS sa SMX Convention Center this coming Saturday and Sunday. At sama-sama tayo doon dahil mainit ang mga bakbakan na magaganap doon. Of course, merong League of Legends, may Dota 2, MPGL Dota 2, andyan ang Garena, andyan ang mga kung ano-ano pang publisher, game club, andyan sila, kita-kits tayo dyan, mga Repa Peeps. Ayan. Ang unang laban natin pala doon para sa MPGL Season 7 mga kaibigan, it will be TNC up against Execration. The winner will go on and face Gigabyte Mineski for the Leg 3 Championship. Yan, sa ESGS yan. So maraming makakapanood yan. Kita-kits tayo dyan sa Mineski TV booth. So last ban for both team Cypher, banning the Spectre, and Alkeban naman para dito sa team ng CITU. So CITU, they will go for a Slardar, actually a football team build. SB Lich as support, or maybe Slardar Doom. Uy, paano laning nito? Gusto ko to At medyo makunat ang lineup nila dito given even the Lich dahil may Frost Armor siya rito. So again, it's a Doom, Shadow Fiend, Lich, Spirit Breaker, and Slardar pick para dito sa team ng for the Cebuano of team CITU. Cebuano.
5 seconds remaining. Reserve time.
So napaisip ang mga taga Cyber Davao dito. Again, they are on a disadvantage. Winners bracket finalist natin itong team ng CITU. So they have a 1-win advantage over team Cypher in this best of 5 series, and the score is 1-0 again in favor of the Cebuanos. Pero tingnan natin kung makakarak ba rito ang team Cypher ng Ateneo de Davao University. Ang mga player para sa magkabilang, so Puck, they will go for a Puck pick, which is actually not a very popular pick dito sa current patch natin, at bihirang-bihira ako makita na mayroong Puck pick dito, pero they will go for a Puck pick dito itong team ng Ateneo de Davao. And there's a quick pause bago simulan ng laban natin. At nag-hi-hi muna sila dyan. So, tingnan natin. Chill lang tayo dito. Hintayin natin makareconnect ang mga players from Cypher. Again, sa mga kakapanood lang, you are watching the National Cyber Collegiate League. Ayan na, konektado na sila dito mga kaibigan. So, G na ba to? G? Uy, ano yun? Ilabas. Ayan, naka-reconnect na ba? Naka-reconnect na pero nagpapabati pa sila. Ayan, G. Ready. Resume. At ito, pakilala natin ang mga gumagamit at si Wonderwall on your mid lane SF Aggression. Playing the Doombringer, it's Kikakudori on that Lich, Kaaro on your Spirit Breaker, and Kintaro playing the Slardar. Para naman dito sa Dabawenyos, it's Eman Almighty mid lane Puck Gyrocopter playing the position 1 on the safe lane. Excuro ang gumagamit. Duroki Phobia ang inyong Ancient Apparition. Earthshaker will be played by Connors at mukhang offlane ES yan. Or hindi, para silang item, nakaboot silang dalawa. Jimtoki. Ayan, Jimtoki ang gumagamit ng Night Stalker dito. Hoy, pero early aggression coming in dito for the Gyrocopter, reducing Doombringer's HP into less than 50%, and the Doombringer, he will be forced to go sa base niya rito. Tignan natin. Here comes Earthshaker. Pumuposition dito, trying to deny. Uy, pero mukhang tingin ko sa ganitong double bounty rune will be secured here by Ateneo de Davao kung kagugustuhin nila, pero nakaposition dito ang Spirit Breaker. Tignan natin. 4, 3, 2, he will escape, and Pac will be trapped on that cliff. At medyo delikado siya dyan. So, chill lang. So, Pac, dalawang beses siya mag-Illusory Orb. So, he won't have enough mana dito sustain sa mid lane dahil dalawang Illusory ang nagamit niya rito. Tignan natin. SF up against the Fairy Dragon on this mid lane matchup. Doombringer Lich up against the Apparition and Gyrocopter. ES Night Stalker will be up against the Slardar. Spirit Breaker will be the one to stack ito dito sa kanilang hard camp sa may mid lane. So, may plano magkabilang ko po na. Again, this is Cebu versus Davao. I'm Kuya Duno of Mineski TV. Nag-aatid sa inyo ng aksyon na dito. And SF winning the early laning phase dito. Ayan, nakukuha niya mga deny. So, SF will have 5 souls already. Sa unang wave pa lang ng creeps yan. Ito, secondary wave. Tignan natin kung makukuha niya yung mga creeps dito. Denied. Coming in from SF. At here comes the Night Stalker. Here. Oy, delikado yan. And that is the first blood going in the way of Ateneo de Davao University, and the Dabaweños striking first dito sa ating game number 1. Again, the Cebuanos, they have a 1 game advantage over Team Cypher dito dahil sila ay galing sa winners bracket at never pa silang natalo dito sa tournament natin na to, sa NCCL. So, tignan natin kung mapagpapatuloy ba nila yung win streak nila rito. Pero so far, the Dabaweño getting the first blood, so that is a good start sa kanila rito. SF with the race harassment on the Fuck. At maganda ginagawa niya rito, not using the race to farm, instead using it to harass the Figure Dragon in the mid lane dahil alam naman natin na yung creep equilibrium ay mababawasan pag tinamaan niya yung creep. So far, minamanong niya sa mid lane mga kaibigan. This is a 10-7 SF up against a 2-1 Pac. And the Fairy Dragon is having a hard time dito sa mid lane natin. trying to farm. Samantala, Earthshaker is 4-3. Gyrocopter is 9-1. There's the trap. They have managed to catch the Lich King. There's a charge coming in dito. Here comes the Nova. And they will get their secondary kill dito sa laban natin na to. Slardar, maiipit dun sa Fissure dun. Wala tinamaan yung Fissure pero enough to block. Eto na. Here comes the Spirit Breaker. They want that kill. 2-man stomp coming in. Pero mukhang di nila abutan dito. Night Stalker with the double damage rune. At tuloy-tuloy silang umahabol dito. Oh no! Nandito na rin ang Lich. They can go for the kill dito kung gugustuhin nila mga kaibigan. Here comes the charge. The Fissure trapping the Spirit Breaker. And this could be a total disaster for the Cebuanos. And there's the timely Fissure. But the stomp is there. One more hit. He is about to go down. He will go down. And that is the third kill going in the way of the Dabawenyos and Earthshaker. What a play coming from him. Meron siyang Fissure doon that can actually stop yung opensa ng mga Cebuano, pero instead deciding to hold on to that Fissure. And ang nangyari, the result, chinarge ng Spirit Breaker dito yung Night Stalker. Kaya pag Fissure, nakulong siya dito sa bandang to ng Torre. And that is a sure kill para sa kanila rito. Again, there is a post. Cypher at nag-recon lang daw 1 minute, sabi ng mga tropa pips natin. And that, nakaka-reconnect na sila rito. G. Doom is 8-1 dito sa top lane natin. There's a charge coming in towards the mid lane. Tingnan natin kung aabutan nila dito mga kaibigan. Hoy, nag-phase shift na and this could be a sure kill mga kaibigan. Phase shift is on cooldown and it will hit one race and one more hit. And that is the Spirit Breaker getting a kill. Pero mukhang mamamatay siya rito. Hindi, mabubuhay siya. So that's the first kill mga kaibigan coming para dito sa team ng CITU Precious. SF is now leading the game. 19-14 ang kanyang CS. In terms of network, he is the leading hero pagdating sa category na yan. Followed by Gyro, ES, and Night Stalker. Surprisingly, all three heroes from the side of Team Cypher. And SF now up with the boots. Pak! Wala pa siyang bote dito. Napakalungkot ng buhay, Kuya Eddie. If you are an Earthshaker, napakalungkot ng buhay mo rito pero di-deny ka pa. Level 6 up against a level 4 dito sa mid lane natin. Spirit Breaker looking for someone to charge on. Meron siyang Orb of Venom dito. Tignan natin kung saan siya lulusob. Night Stalker, gabi na ba? Oo, gabi na. Kaya ito na si Bang Jose mga kaibigan. Rotating towards the mid lane. They might catch the SF off guard. Tignan natin kung anong plano nila rito mga kaibigan. Makukuha ba nila yan? SF farming. Here comes the Earthshaker rotation as well. So there are 3 heroes rotating towards the mid lane dito. They might go for the kill on the SF. At off guard siya rito. Surprisingly, wala siyang presence. Maano dito. Wala siyang Uy, pero there's a charge coming in. They want this kill. Here comes the Lich King. And eto na. Mga kaibigan, 3-man rotation. SF, hindi tumitingin sa mapa. Kung ako yun, alam ko na yun. Walang dalawang hero sa bottom lane. Walang katapat si Slardar. Gabi, may Night Stalker na kalaban. Tapos namatay ka. Oh no, mamin. At eto na si Doombringer. Tinahabol niya si Pak dito. Tignan natin kung abutan niya. There's, Pak, wala sa timing. Chinap-chop siya. At naku po si Earthshaker, hinahabol. Dinumpanis mga kaibigan. And this might be the greatest turnaround of all. Dahil hinabol, double kill. Si Earthshaker humahabol, gusto niya ng XP. Kaso mamamatay siya rito. And here comes the Doombringer dying as well. And here comes a charge. Pero kinancel yung charge. Kakaiba tong Spirit Breaker. Puro cancel charge siya dito mga kaibigan. Level 2 pa lang siya. Napakalungkot ng buhay niya. Oh no. Here comes the Gyrocopter. Hinahabol nila. They want the kill on the SF. SF is very low na HP. And he will go down dito. One more hit. He's about to go down pero buhay pa siya. Illusory Orb will be dodged. Oh no. Buhay pero mamamatay. Nakasalubong ba naman niya may chilling touch na Gyro Tsaka sure naman. And Team Cypher, they have a 3-kill advantage over Team Precious dito. And this is a good start para sa side nila. Doom is now level 7. He will be, makikita niya dito ang And Gyro. Slardar is not doing very well even though medyo may grip stint siya sa pagpa-farm dito sa bottom lane ng solo. Hindi naman siya nagro-rotate. He is currently sitting at level 5 with just 300 gold on top of a boots and magic wand dito. SF mukhang going for power treads dahil meron na siyang belt of giant strength dito. Sinusulit pa rin ng gabi, 3 AM. Nako, nandito pa rin ang Night Stalker. He is about to, oh no, that Echo Slam though mga kaibigan. Here comes Slardar with the Slytherin Crush mga kaibigan. Mabubuhay ba siya rito? There's a Fissure catching him. Oh no mga kaibigan, nasa loob ng puno. What a killer crossover move. Amazing play coming in from the Slardar. Biglang liko, nandito pa si Lich King. Here comes the charge. Nagkakaabulan mga kaibigan. And Slardar with the amazing juking moves. Escaping that sure death. At eto mga kaibigan, Spirit Breaker nagmamadali, charging towards you. I love you. Eto na ako, walang makakapigil sa akin. Pabebe Slardar. Eto na, sinapakpak, tinamaan ng level 3. Tingnan natin kung dumating pa si Lich for that kill secured move. KS move mga kaibigan. Oh, Lich, nag-ahabol dito, hinahabol siya mga kaibigan. Tingnan natin kung pagpapatuloy. Oh my god, tuloy-tuloy pa rin dito. Doom on your pack, sumasagot. May sumasagot sa labas mga kaibigan. At ito na hinihintay siguro ng mga Cebuano dito. Sino yun? Sino yun? Nagkagulo sila mga kaibigan. May sumigaw sa labas. Amazing. At nako, the score is now 6-all para dito sa laban natin na to. Slardar with Stout Shield. Nabuhay siya sa hindi mo maipaliwanag na dahilan. Nabuhay ang Slardar dito. At ang Earthshaker mga kaibigan, now up with the Tranquil Boots, Soul Ring for that sustain in the lane. Night Stalker again rotating towards the bottom, pero now he will be spotted by a Radiant Observer Ward, so they know na nandito ang Night Stalker. Network natin, it is Doombringer now leading the game with 3,600, followed by SF. At nagsasimula ng mag-fall ang momentum dito ng Cypher. Doombringer now up with a Ring of Bacillus. And he is now level 8. 4-1-0 dito sa laro natin, and this is a great start, especially if you are an offlane Doombringer. Gyrocopter getting that stock mga kaibigan. Tingnan natin kung mapifinish niya yan. Here comes the charge coming in for the Spirit Breaker. Pero SF also rotating towards the top lane, and they might get this kill. Doom will pop that Scorcher, and this is a dead Gyrocopter. One more hit coming in from the Doombringer, at aabutan niya yan, and aggression now on a killing spree. SF back on the mid lane trying to farm. Here comes the TP coming in. Earthshaker will get caught mga kaibigan. Spirit, there's the Echo Slam on 2. He might get the kill, and he will get the kill. But ito, charge coming in from the Spirit Breaker, getting that kill. Slardar with another slam. Here comes the Nether Strike, and the Night Stalker going down as well. And Pac is here, pero Doom is up. So that is a 2-for-3 trade in total. 9-8 is the score. Action pack game number 1 of this best of 5 series, but the score is 1-0 dahil may 1 kill advantage ang team ng Precious dito. And in this Ancient Apparition now level 6. Doombringer still holding on to that Doom. Meron ding Drum of Endurance na siya rito. SF now back onto the mid lane, and he will now go for a mechanism. Here comes a charge. Here comes the Ice Blast. It won't hit. Spirit Breaker nag-aabol. There's the Fissure. They want to go for the kill dito mga kaibigan. Fissure, Illusory, Pac will go in, and they will take on the Earthshaker. Suddenly, there is no rotation para dito sa team nila. Si Doombringer mga kaibigan getting a kill on that Gyrocopter, so even trade 1-for-1, a position 1 for a position 2. And Slardar, nasa na ba siya rito? Trends is up on him. He has 900 gold and just 1,300 gold short of that dagger. That is the key item sa effectiveness ng Slardar sa kahit anong laban. Of course, kailangan niya yan for that instant initiation. Spirit Breaker is now at level 7 in this game. Doombringer is 6-1-0 with just 34 CS, pero still leading the game, of course, with that level 4 Debor. Bonus gold yan. Parang built-in Midas na yan. Ang kinuha niya rito is Pack Leader Aura. That is a bonus 30% damage, giving him additional 39 ayan, 30 pala, 30 damage dito. So makati siya, especially at the very early point ng mga ganitong laban. Well, Slardar continuing to farm dito. Earthshaker and Nightstalker with the rotation, they want to get or they want to find kills dito, pero hindi nila afford mag-dive in dun sa loob ng or beneath the tier 1 tower. So Slardar is just free farming dito sa bottom lane natin. Gyrocoupler is 4,000 in terms of network. Dominator is up on him, so he's now starting to clear etong jungle stacks nila rito. Doombringer in the mid lane. Going for Hairdress at Vladimir's offering siya rito. SF, Mecha will be completed on your SF at kompleto Recados na yan. Kulang na lang siya ng Ring of Regeneration. Level 10, Doombringer. They will find a Nightstalker dito mga kaibigan. Nightstalker trying to box out Doom, pero hahabulin siya rito. Tignan natin kung tuloy-tuloy yan. And that is just a level 6 Nightstalker. Here comes the charge coming in, heading towards that bottom lane. They want the kill on the Earthshaker, pero Earthshaker will be spotted by the Nightstalker, so hindi niya itutuloy yan. He will just cancel the charge. He is a level 7 Earthshaker at the moment. 1,700 gold up on your Slardar, just 500 gold short of that dagger. Charge towards the top lane, heading towards the Ancient Apparition. Ito, makikita siyang dumaan dito sa gitna, and Apparition will just TP out of trouble, pero he will be spotted TPing towards that bottom lane. Here comes multiple TP coming in. Puck using the ultimate, or they won't find that kill because of the TP coming in from the side of Team Precious. Slardar and Earthshaker, medyo nagka-farman sila rito sa bottom lane. Slardar now up to 1,800 gold. Mecha is now up on your SF, and this is the time na kailangan na mag-apply ng pressure dito ng Team Precious sa laban natin. Since that they have the Mecha, it's time for them to take down towers. Since isa pa lang yung nakukuha nila rito, they have what it takes. They have the initiation. They have Doombringer on their side, and there's a charge coming in. SF will catch etong one more race boy, one more race. Here comes the Doom. The race will get that kill, and no TP coming in on the side of Cypher. Instead, they will find themselves a kill into that charging Spirit Breaker, and mukhang makakita tayo ng A1 for 1 tower trade dito. The tier 1 tower in the mid lane and plus a tier 1 tower in the bottom lane dito, and that is a tower take for both teams. Here comes the chain cross bouncing in mga kaibigan. Here comes the secondary bounce. Pac is here, he wants to go in mga kaibigan. They will find the Lich, pero the tower still surviving. Here comes the Dream Coil. Pac will try to escape, and he will successfully do so, pero Slardar now with that dagger, they will catch the Nightstalker. They want this kill. The charge is on. Here comes the normal coming in, and that is SF getting a kill. So another 1 for 1 trade, but the tower will be denied dito sa laban natin na to, and that is actually 15 minutes into the game. XP is favoring Team Precious. Gold is just 2,000. And now they are heading towards the top lane for more towers dito sa laban natin. Vladimir's offering now up on your Doombringer. He is now 11-11, pero they need to be careful since Earthshaker now completing a dagger. So meron na silang instant initiation dito across that Blink Dagger of Earthshaker, and of course the Blink Dagger coming in for your Puck, and that is a very good chain cross actually coming in from the Lich, trying to defend the tier 1 tower in the mid lane, and they will find 2 kills yon, pero mamamatay nga yung Lich natin doon. So okay lang yan, at dito na sila. 4 manning towards the top lane mga kaibigan is Team Precious. They want another tower kill. The rotation will be spotted however by a Dire Observer Ward. Actually there are 5 heroes here para sa team ng Precious, and they want to take down this tier 1 tower in the top lane. Earthshaker is here. He has the dagger, but can he find the opening na kailangan niya in order to deliver those massive amount of damage? Of course, coming in from that Echo Slam. Here comes the Ancient Apparition ultimate. Earthshaker, they might find a kill, but the charge going in, he will be able to pop. The Requiem is here, and Doom on your Puck, And this will be 2 kills going in favor of Team Precious. They want the kill on the Night Stalker. Night Stalker starting to run. Doom chasing him down. And he will escape. But they will lose the tier 1 tower into the top lane. And here comes the TP. Mass TP coming in. They want the charge. SF. Medyo delikado siya rito. Pumasok ba the Slardar? Stopping Gyrocopter. And SF survive. Gyrocopter will get a tier 1 tower at the cost of his life. So that is 2 tower takes going in favor of Team Precious. The score now 15 to 11. Hindi tumama ang Apparition Ultimate dito. So SF will survive. Yasha is now up on him. He has 900 gold on top of a mecha. Yasha and threats. Spirit Breaker. Medyo tamang init lang siya rito. Tamang init lang. May Orb of Venom threads and meron siyang Stout Shield. So tingnan natin dito again, you are watching the National Cyber Collegiate League CITU of Cebu laban sa Ateneo de Davao University for that collegiate championship natin mga kaibigan. At nagugrupo sila dito mga kaibigan. They are looking for a smoke, I think. Yes, they have smoke. They want kills dito mga kaibigan. But Pac is is trying to split push into the top lane dito. Uy, pero they will be spotted. And there is a charge coming in. Nandito sila nagmamadali. Doom on your Gyrocopter. And that is his Slardar going in. Apparition will be stopped. Earthshakers the next target dito. And they are going for chase. But there's a quick disengage coming in. But they will lose their position 1 hero. And they might actually lose etong stock nila dito. Oh no, this is looking bad. Looking grim para dito sa end. But Pac with the silence. They want the kill of the Doombringer. Ancient Apparition Ultimate. It will catch SF. And there's the Echo Slam. SF going down. Doom is low on HP. Tuloy-tuloy sila rito. Pero Doombringer, oh no, lumalaban pa. Lumalaban pa. Spirit Breaker will go down. Pac going down as well. Multiple heroes are low on HP. Doombringer will get that kill. Apparition try doing its best dito. He will go down as well. Buyback coming in from your Night Stalker. Triple kill for your Slardar and Kintaro. The position 1 Slardar now proving its worth dito sa laban natin na to. He is now 4-1-4 and the stock is still here. Tignan natin kung i-contest pa ba ng Cypher etong stock nila dito. Instead, hindi mukhang pababayaan nila rito. Gyrocopter is here. He has ultimate. Black Cannon is up on him. At mukhang maliligtas nila yung stock nila rito. And that is a very bad situation if ever na makuha pa nitong team ng yung stock. Pero here comes... Uy, tignan natin. Papasok ba sila rito? Gyrocopter. Here comes the darkness. And here comes the charge coming in from the Spirit Breaker. Tignan natin kung aabutin nila yan. Slardar with the dagger. They are looking for the initiation. Here comes the charge. And they will catch 2. Oh no! That stomp though. Oh my god, hindi nila na-disable ang Gyrocopter. Gyrocopter is still alive. He will go down. But in kapalit ay 3. Mali ang pinasok nilang liga dito mga kaibigan. And this might be a 4-man wipe. And it will be a 4-man wipe. SF not even present dun sa engagement na yon. Gyrocopter going down but they've managed to take down 4. Bringing the score 20 to 17. What? Alis. Okay. SF, pinagpaplanuhan na ng masama. Nag-iisipan na ng dalawa. Ano, tirahin na ba natin to? Tirahin na yan! Hoy, SF, masyado kong bida-bida, ha? Eh, hindi ka makakatawa ka sa amin dahil gabi. Oh no, the jokes are real! Reggae! Boom! Plastic kong galawan! And the race, he managed to turn it around and that's a double kill! What a play! What a joke! Even though dying, he managed to take down 2. Patay pa yung dalawang gumak sa kanya. Napakalungkot ng buhay. And that is the place para sa SF, mga kaibigan. Ang malupit dito, meron siyang SNY pero magkahiwalay. My God. Pinaghiwalay niya ang SNY niya. Nakita nyo yun? Hiwalay ang SNY mga kaibigan. Nag-break na po sila. Patunay yan na walang forever sa mundong ito. Dahil alam mo, ang SNY hindi nagpaghihiwalay yan. Kaya nga sanggiin niya siya yan. Pero itong SNY ng SF mga kaibigan, nag-break. Nag-break ang SF mga kaibigan. Napakalungkot ng buhay. Napakalungkot ng buhay. Earthshaker now up with a 4-stop dito sa laban natin na to. He has dagger, he has 4-stop, he has soul ring, but the network difference, we are looking at a 2K network the difference favoring the Radiant side. XP is 2,500 favoring the Radiant side as well. 21 minutes into the game. This is a very close match mga kaibigan. BKB completed on your Gyrocopter. And here comes SF. Nagbati na ang SNY. At kanina, maghihiwalay yung SNY niya eh. Patunay na walang forever. Pero ngayon, nagbati na sila. Mahusay. Doombringer, I think the next big item for Doom dito is Aghanims or even a BKB. He was looking for a pack dito. But pack will escape. At ito, Spirit Breaker positioning himself dito towards the mid lane. Tignan natin kung merong aggression na manggagaling. Slardar and SF just farming the jungle dito. Ancient Apparition now with a casual point booster on top of your hand of Midas. At going for, of course, that Aghanims build is the Ancient Apparition dito mga kaibigan. SF. Uy, there's the movement towards the bottom lane. They want to find the skill on SF. Tignan natin dito. Here comes the Earthshaker going in. Slardar with double damage. He will stop a 2-man mga kaibigan. But 5 manning dito. Call down will be used. And Slardar will escape. SF going down again with that Smoke of Deceit. And that is a very good pickup favoring Ateneo de Davao University. Nightstalker. They want to chase. They want this Lich King. They want a kill. Pero Lich King, Rumon Henley mga kaibigan, biglang liko. There's a Fissure. But they will get caught dito mga kaibigan. Pack. Ito na. Doombringer trying to chase. Pack being charged down. Aabulin sila rito. Wala ka. Wala ka. Oh no. Wala ka mana. Ito na. There's strike. Boom. Panis. At ninahabol si Doombringer. Gyrocopter being chased down as well. And they may find another kill dito. Huy, nagtiteleport sa buka mga kaibigan. Here comes the level that canceling that TP. And that is a dead Ancient Apparition. They managed to get the initial kill on your SF. But they will lose 3 hero trying to get the kill on the Lich, overextending, not realizing that they are diving a tier 2 tower. And of course, backup will be available on the side of Team Precious dito. And again, momentum shifting back towards the Precious side. They are now up by 6 kill dito sa laro natin na to. Spirit Breaker with a casual Ogre Club. Oy, Earthshaker. Pwede siya mahuli rito mga kaibigan. There's the Fissure coming in from your Earthshaker. Pero magmamadali dito. They will go towards the Rosh Pit across Slardar's amplification. And of course, with the presence of the Dark Lord, that is negative 16 Roshan. And that is, ayan no, amplified damage. At presence of the Dark Lord, Aegis will be claimed by the Radiant side. Again, you are watching the National Cyber Collegiate League, NCCL mga kaibigan, Davao versus Cebu. Slardar now going for that, opting for a BKB, which is a very good item against Cypher's lineup. Of course, Earthshaker, Pack, maiiwasan na nila yung mga control coming in from those hero. And tignan natin. Ayan no, BKB na yan eh. BKB na yan. Uy, pero pumasok na naman dito mga kaibigan. Pack going down. Nightstalker going down as well. And that aggression, mga kaibigan, para sa Team Precious. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin dito. And Slardar now up with the BKB. So I think they have what it takes to take down yung mga Tori dito. Yung mga tier 2 tower remaining dito sa side ng Team Cypher. They have Doom with a blocking bar recipe. SF now also BKB. So multiple BKB pickup dito para sa team ng Precious. Spirit Breaker mag-BKB din yan. There's a charge. Looking for that kill on the Earthshaker. There's ATP going in and the Earthshaker will just survive, but the Spirit Breaker will just continue to charge on dito. Uy, and they fight stacks. Lucky. Pre, Mayday. May stock dito. Kunin natin itong mga stock na to. Oh, nagsastock pa yung Crepas dito. You want to get dinibor, nginoya mga kaibigan. And this stock going down. Wala sila magagawa kundi panoorin. Iba kayo ang nagtanim, iba ang umani, and this will be a massive amount of boost gold para sa side ng CITU Precious. Doombringer BKB will be up on him very very soon. Mahusay sa Mahu Gaming. Earthshaker Dagger. Gyro. Oh, tinira ng isa. Napakalungkot na buhay. Tinira ng isang stock. Yan, pare, balato ko na sa iyan. SF. Okay, tignan natin ang plano dito. SF with the BKB. Doom with the BKB as well. So, this is really looking bad para sa team ng Cypher dito. If ever magkaroon ng engagement, kahalungkutan portion ang magaganap dito. Earthshaker with the Fisher. Casual Fisher lang. And etong team ng Cypher, medyo wala silang objective dito sa laban natin na to. They are just happy farming their jungle. Wala sila ganong objective pa dito. And Spirit Breaker, ayan no, lacking bar recipe. So just a mithril hammer short of that BKB. Earthshaker, nagpaplano ng masama rito. Delikado siya rito mga kaibigan. Once pasukin niya yan, sigurado mabibigla siya rito. Oh no, this is looking bad. There's the Frost Armor. Double damage will complete pick up on your Gyrocopter dito. ES is just hiding behind the tree line mga kaibigan. SF with plus 25 armor on top of an Aegis. And they will push dito sa bottom lane mga kaibigan. Tingnan natin. Pac is onto the in the top lane. Wala siyang ginagawang maganda rito. Here comes Race. Night Stalker, they want this. At susubukan lang kumuha ng max value ng Aegis dito. Itong team ng Precious. Earthshaker, maganda position niya rito. Tignan natin kung makakakill tayo ng NCCL Championship Echo Slam dito sa laban natin na to. Here come Pac, trying to go in. Oy, pero kinakancel lang dito. Aegis is still up on your SF. And here comes Lardar going in mga kaibigan. Doombringer going down as well. Here comes the Spirit Breaker with the follow-up. There's the BKB debut mga kaibigan. Gyrocopter is low on HP. And Earthshaker nagbe-Facebook mga kaibigan. Ang galing! Nag-status pa siya. Ubus ang kampe. Nag-TP. Sabay kinancel. Oh my God! This Earthshaker! What are you doing my friend? What are you doing my friend? Oh no Earthshaker! Pumisure! Pinakita sarili. Wala siyang tinamaan. Napakalangkot ang buhay niya mga kaibigan. This offlane Earthshaker is offlane and offline. Wala siyang magawa. Kumakain siya ng mangga. Umiinom. Kumbaga may party. Nagkagundo na. Nagka-rumble mga kaibigan. Itag mo ang tropa mong na walang ginagawa sa mga away. Ito na siya. Dumating na parang pulis. Parang pulis ang pagdating niya mga kaibigan. Pag nagkwento, kala mo talaga may ginawa. Nagpakita na siya. GG call. Earthshaker, kasalanan mo lahat to. Bakit mo ginawa? Bakit ka tumambay? Bakit ka nag-status Lord? Oh my God, this Earthshaker is giving me cancer. Precious is just one game away